Welcome home to 11710 Maher Lane, right here in the Bryton Trace community. Off 45 and exit 23, it is nestled in one of the most hottest communities you could find in this area. It's only a couple years old and I cannot wait to show you the inside details. Come on inside and we'll check it out. One thing I love about the Durham E floor plan is one of the most popular floor plans because it's so open. Can't wait to show you guys around this beautiful home. The office has private French doors leading to red oak built-in custom cabinetry. I love this kitchen because it's so open, it's perfect for entertaining. In this particular home, the owner is upgraded with all hardwood floors throughout the main living area. It is completely open from the kitchen to the living room and the dining room. One thing you'll notice about this home is the arched entryways, and I love that because it allows tons of natural light. The garage is awesome because the owner has triple sealed with epoxy, so no stains are going in this garage. Plus, amazing custom built-ins. You've got ample storage out there. So when you're here, be sure to check out the garage. I love these magnificent wood floors, particularly as they lead into the oak treads. The owner upgraded it with a custom wood detail, along with wrought iron aluminum. In today's crazy world, it is really important to have a secondary office space if you're at home, and that's what this loft is perfect for. This space is perfect for working out. And if you're wanting an extra exercise area / bedroom, this is perfect. Now that I'm out of breath because I just finished my workout, I'm leading you to the owner suite, which is spa-like. Come on inside and check it out. Look how spacious the master bedroom is. Leads you to the walk-in closet and a beautiful bathroom. Right behind me, if you're looking for privacy, you have found it. There is an amazing tree-lined canopy right behind you that drops down into a beautiful stream. You can actually hear the water rushing from time to time. Maintenance-free Fibron decking. It's a composite decking material. It's easy to clean, looks beautiful, and absolutely sets a tone to look over this beautiful landscape. One of the things I love about the Bryton Trace community is the community assets. It's nestled right here off of 45 and I-77, so it's convenient to the airport, convenient to downtown Huntersville and Burkdale, and you can get anywhere around the city in about 20 minutes. So in the Bryton Trace community, you've got a pool, a cabana, neighborhood playground, and sports fields. It is absolutely a beautiful community that I'm sure you're gonna love for the ages. Welcome home. 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, just around 3,000 square feet. This home is waiting for you. Give me a call or click the link below for more information. I'm Hege with Properties. Thanks for watching this video.